Hey Jillian, what you doing? Eating a sandwich? What are we gonna do here tonight? What are we doing here? Oh, we're gonna see fireworks? Cool. Well, the fireworks is not gonna happen until it gets dark. Okay? Can you see some boats? Where are the boats? Yeah. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
I have to sit by you.
You gonna sit by me? Alright.
Dog poop.
Dog poop? Did you sit in dog poop?
No.
No. Okay. Alright.
I'm sitting here. I'm sitting in your lap.
I'm gonna sit in my lap, huh? Alright.